Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to work with GitHub on Windows. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to go ahead and be opening up the official GitHub website right here at github.com if you're not already. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here. So first things first, we need to log into our accounts in the upper right corner. You'll have the option to go and log into your account. If you do not already have one, you can go and create a new one by signing up for an account, and after logging in, you'll be greeted by this home page right here, which is the main page where we can take a look at our repositories, our home info, and so on. And now we can get started. So basically guys, by accessing GitHub right here, you can now get started directly from the GitHub website. But if you want to go ahead and download GitHub to your Windows PC and you want to get started using it that way, what we can do is download Git. So how can you find Git? Well, right here at the official website of Git, scm.com, we can find the download section where we can get started with downloading Git. So by downloading Git for our Windows option right here, as you can see, we can install it and now we can get started. So here on the documents page of GitHub, we have a full introduction, how to get started with setting up Git. As you can see guys, this is how you can get started installing Git. You can get started setting up your username, authenticating from GitHub, and so on, and then you can get started making your repositories and programs right there in Git. And that's how to get started using it on Windows. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.